Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno knows your one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that these babies, newborn babies, were seen in chairs at the Linstead Hospital. However, me not get no confirmation in my wisdom warriors. Me not get no confirmation as yet. Yeah? But you know, so me did have to go and do my research. Yes, me go and me check it out to see if them have any midwifery services going on. Anything to do with babies. But when me read about it, my wisdom warriors, they not deliver baby there. So, something not right. You understand? Remember me say before that I didn't receive a confirmation. You understand? But when me do my research, and this is what I found out. According to the Linstead Hospital, they provide care and reliable and affordable quality to their customers. They provide minor surgical, medical, pediatrics, obstetrics, psychiatric service, maintain a high standard of care with the aid of our administrative and support staff, provide continuous training and public education. Our staff and patients open on a 24-hour basis for all services except pharmacy and x-ray. Treat each individual with respect and according to their needs. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, the services that they provide is accident and emergency care, medical care, laboratory and x-ray, mental health, physiotherapy, and NHF pharmacy. That is the only services they provide. The question me want to ask though, why did they say it is Linstead Hospital? Because really and truly, me make 2 checks and me talk to a few people who live in the area, they my wisdom warriors. And they say, even if somebody taking if they have baby, there's no way they would deliver it over there. So I don't believe this story. When I said I don't believe it, my wisdom warriors, don't get me wrong. Maybe it is a different hospital, but it's definitely not Linstead Hospital. It's not Linstead Hospital. So I would like somebody to reach out to me and confirm which hospital is this. Because when me do my research and my checks, my wisdom warriors, it is not Linstead Hospital. Alright, so I just let everybody know. Yeah, from my findings and my research, this is not Linstead Hospital. However, if anybody have any information and can confirm which hospital these babies are at, you can just kindly contact me on 876-236-9097. Because if this is really in a Jamaica, when me tell you say, anyway, it's not really surprising to me. It really want to come to a surprise anyway, my wisdom warriors, to be quite honest with you, because we just have to expect anything at this point. Remember say 700 billion gone missing from the healthcare system. 700 billion gone missing. It is unaccounted for. So what is going on there? And me say so, no go and go do the checks. The Auditor General came out and talk about it. So when me see the labor right, them are growing. Where them fi put up, they now put up. Where uno fi put up, uno now put up. When it come to Andrew Wallace declarations, when it come to the 1.7 trillion, when it come to the 700 billion, when it come to the whole heap of money we're gone missing and is unaccounted for, the 88 million we're gone missing up a KSMC when Labour Right was in charge. How many say una run with them the something there? How many say una run with them the something there? My wisdom warriors, una tell me one thing here, man. Anyway, hear this. The Jamaica Civil Service Association says it wants an urgent meeting with the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, before he demits office. The association said trade unions have been caught off guard by the sudden announcement of Dr. Clarke's imminent departure. My wisdom warriors, where is this really going? You know some always talk up for the teacher them. You know some always talk up for the nurses them, don't it? You know some always speak up for the public workers them, the public sector workers them. That are one thing when I always do. You see, when I understand, a pure trick Nigel Clarke trick these people. And them fail to realize. This Jamaica Civil Service Association was the same person who came out when Auditor General released about the 700 billion missing. Yeah? We not see Nigel Clarke and Nigel Clarke busy at train for go work for IMF. Yeah, we not see Nigel Clarke, we not hear from Nigel Clarke, and nobody not come in the space, come talk on Nigel Clarke's behalf. You understand? And when the money go missing, yeah, these people were the same one to pick up for them. These were the same very people, the Jamaica Civil Service Association, out there picking up for them. You understand? And now, them want to have a meeting with Nigel Clarke. No, them want to have a meeting in my wisdom warriors. No, they want to have a meeting because me tell you all the while say a promise is a comfort to a fool. Me tell you a long time Nigel Clarke a promise. So how much time Nigel Clarke say I go promise to pay the teacher them. Him a promise to pay a public sector this, that. Nothing. And see Nigel Clarke go left uno. See Nigel Clarke go left uno and still not pay uno a dime. But guess what now? Me no feel sorry for you. No, me no feel sorry for you no more. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is partnering with the government of the United Kingdom through its Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office and the World Food Programme to provide critical cash grant assistance to Jamaicans most affected by Hurricane Beryl. You hear them something here? Why everything una come a give to government? One to the opposition. Because anytime the government put for them hand pan that my wisdom warriors, the people they now go get the help. The people they now go get the help. So I put it out there right now, my wisdom warriors. I want every single Jamaican, hey, like and share, you know. Because I want every single Jamaican know say UK is partnering with Jamaica Labour and Social Security, and them a give them cash grant to assist the Jamaicans. Them a go get critical cash grant. So money them a get my wisdom warriors to help the people them. You see how much money Andrew Wallace a get? Talk truth. You know so much money Andrew Wallace a get? But the people they not get no help. The people they not get no help, and enough help Jamaica get. What Jamaica get compared to some country. Some country not get the help what Jamaica get. St. Vincent not get the help what Jamaica get, my wisdom warriors. You don't see what I go on? Eh? And these people, watch them. Watch all that they want their face. Pernell Charles. Eh? Junior way one name. Look on film face so him a laugh. Eh? But down a Ministry of Labour, then take off Mark Golding picture. You think say una go turn Jamaica in a republic? You think that will happen? You think say una go be the president and run Jamaica? You not go walk. That's why they remove Mark Golding picture, you know. Remember, say me tell you about it, you know. Remember me telling you about it, my wisdom warriors. Pernell Charles yesterday. They remove Mark Golding picture because them have it all planned out, you know. Say them are go win the election and how them are go turn Jamaica in a republic and frig up Jamaica. That is the plan where they have for Jamaica, but it not go work because the God that I serve won't allow that. Remember me telling you, that will never happen. They have to come out, my wisdom warriors. So nobody thinks they're not going to use Nigel Clarke in Ghana IMF. And the same me and Motley me always hear speak against them. The same me and Motley. So nobody can go and like say IMF is the best and whatever. That them want. That's why they want Nigel Clarke. You see? You see? When Nigel Clarke do to fuel economy. You see that, my wisdom warriors? Now I'm worried about the whole Caribbean economy. No, I'm really worried. I know say them a yes man. Know say them a yes man, my wisdom warriors. And then same one, Nigel Clarke get up in a House of Parliament and call Mark Golding master. Who are the master now? Who is the master now? get up and cuss them on social media, a tweet you, Juliet Cockburn Flynn, Daryl Vaz, and a bad mouth. Mark Golding and I call Mark Golding Master Mark. Who is the real master now I go work for colonizer? Eh? Una see so you can't do without them door. Una see una hypocrite. Una labor right is a big hypocrite. How una fight against Mark Golding? But yes, una colonizer. Una for go eh. Una hypocrite. Me na rate una. Me tell you all the while, labor right, them a big hypocrite. They don't know they head from them foot my wisdom warriors. Them just a wagonist. Them a wagonist. My wisdom warriors, look on this one here. Just take a look on Floyd Green face. Look on him. He can't hold it no more. He can't hold it and hide the real truth from we no more. Because me telling you all the time, say actions speak louder than words. We see what is going on. Look what is Floyd Green coming out and saying. Minister of Agriculture Floyd Green has expressed concern about the price gouging of agriculture products, particularly in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Speaking during a media briefing at the ministry's office in St. Andrew on Tuesday, Green said traders were allowed access to external markets to ensure the nation has adequate food supply. To ensure that the nation have adequate supplies. Green said traders were allowed to external markets to ensure the nation has adequate food supply. This is why when me show uno the sweet pepper, and me show uno the sweet potato, and me show uno the tomato, and me show uno the chocho, the labor right them say PNP a spread propaganda. The labor right out here, and them say me a PNP and my wisdom warriors. And guess what? When them out here say me a PNP, me love it. You know why? Because all me see PNP doing is good. So I feel so honored to be a part of PNP. Me telling you all the while say I am not JLP and I'm not PNP. But since as them a paint and a spread me all over social media, say me is PNP, my wisdom warriors, I am honored to accept it. Yes. So when me post these things, them say a lie. Them say a lie. The PNP a tell. PNP a spread propaganda. See. So when the minister come out, when the minister fed up, see him come out and him attack. My wisdom warriors, Floyd Green come out, the amount of money that the boy they getting now. The amount of money this a boy are getting my wisdom warriors for spending now. I wonder what I do with them the money there. Them the millions that him get. I wonder what I do with it. So uno see now, uno see say PNP was telling the truth all along. Uno see, you know what, we not understand, these people are underground. And they see how prices is sky high. And they are still out here defending Andrew Holness. Me telling us something wrong with you know. Me telling us something really, really wrong with you know. So my wisdom warriors, there you go. He cannot hold it any longer. So he must come and tell the Jamaican people the real truth. He is concerned about the price gouging of agriculture products. Lord Jesus. May I tell you now. But you know what? You know what, my wisdom warriors? Enough of the Jamaicans. Some of them still a defend them and say them good and this and that. And I'll know me not sit down labor right and spread them or something, you know. The labor right them say we do it. We fix up a sweet pepper. If we did fix up a sweet pepper and the chocho and the tomato and the cabbage, this a man who want to come out and attack like that and saying concern. Remember, say him in charge of agriculture, you know. My wisdom warriors, Floyd Green is the minister that is responsible for agriculture. I am the agriculture minister and I him come out and a ball. All him have to do something about it. You know what? You know what, my wisdom warriors, make me move on and leave that for another time. Hear this. Phase 1 of a multi-million-dollar project which will see thousands of residents in Mason Hall, St. Mary receiving pipe water commence on Thursday. The pipe laying works, which is being undertaken by the National Water Commission in partnership with Rural Water Supply Limited, is expected to be completed in December. So St. Mary people, wanna hear what Andrew Holness say and the whole regime. Them say multi-million-dollar pipe water project is underway in St. Mary. Remember, you know, come tell you, I have a book full of file. Me have all of this thing put in a file. So when on news media put it out, you can go remove it again because I have it right here. I have it right here. So on here. But on saying that, Andrew Wellness, we are still waiting for the pipeline where I go run from down a Negril, go straight back to Hanover. We're still waiting for that one. We not hear nothing about it. We not hear nothing about it, we hear so on run one pipeline somewhere down a Negril and stop there. So now we not go further. And that me I get for here. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, because anything this man has me can't believe my wisdom warriors, because he says something and do another thing. Wanna just storm up the comment section for me there, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page, follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.